Hi everyone, our today's video topic is that how you can create a portfolio website using Lovable. I want to build a similar design of this website. So first of all, we have to take screenshot and full page image. So let me show you how. First of all, I will just take a screenshot. Now I need full page screenshot. Just shift control I, then you have to shift control P. Now type here screenshot. So from here just choose full size screenshot. Okay, so now full screenshot of the website is here ready. So what I will do actually, so I need actually a proper prompt to make a website like this. So I have now images and I need color recommendation. For this, I will go to ChatGPT and say him that I want a similar website for my portfolio website, a prompt for Lovable to get a similar website. And also, I will give him my images. We will also give Lovable our resume for building our portfolio website. Now here is our prompt ready for Lovable. So I will just copy this prompt. So now we will go to Lovable. In Lovable, we will just paste our prompt and we will also add our resume and image. Here is our image and now we attached our resume image and also we have given the prompt we want. Now everything is up to Lovable. Just we will wait and in few minutes Lovable will build a portfolio website according to our resume and image. So if I scroll down, that you can see very amazing website for portfolio. Here about section, skills, services, AI automation, web development, chatbot development, backend and APIs, and experiences, work history. This is very amazing, right? And here is contact. We'll able to send email and also get the access of phone number, email, and location. And here is also GitHub and LinkedIn. So this was today's video. If you like this video, just subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification button that you will get notified when we create a new video.